Myself, Priyanka. Basically, I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my master's in 2017 in VLS Embedded. It's completely electronics background. Later on, I moved to Hyderabad for job searching. Basically, I'm very much interested to be in technical, but in that situation, the jobs are not good in, especially in Hyderabad. So I searched a lot of jobs, but I got one job which is completely like I was into each and every part while testing the applications and all. But when coming to the designation wise, it's not technical. So in my mind, always I was feel guilty because I was not into a complete technical and not in my dream job. After my career break, I'm thinking of to restart my career. At that time, seriously, my family supports me a lot. So with my family support and my husband suggestions and all, uh, I decided to start my career. So if I want to start a technical journey, means I have to choose one domain. At that time, I checked a lot of videos also about Salesforce, what is the upcoming future and all. Because I'm little bit worried about coding actually, because I'm new to technical, right? So I thought that, oh my god, coding is very difficult to me. How can I handle after a long break? Again, I have to start. But when I started reading about what is Salesforce admin and developer, what are the things involved in Salesforce, a few of friends also working in Salesforce, I got inputs from them also. Salesforce, I was searching about Salesforce, and I decided to go with Salesforce. While I decided want to go with Salesforce, so while searching in online, I got lot of institutes are there, platforms also there. So I checked one by one. I contacted all the people and I checked everything. And uh, on fine day, I saw one platform which is very unique, and the course content was very interesting. That is, all the things were very structured way, and the points is mentioned content, and one by one is from basic level. I saw all the content is very useful. That is SAS Guru. I thought that when compared to other resources, it's very different and unique. I thought maybe this is my correct platform to learn Salesforce. Immediately I contacted the SAS Guru team. The team explained each and everything very well mannered, and like clearly they explained each and everything. I joined in SAS Guru. My training was very well, because when I entered into that platform, I checked their website, and in my dashboard I have a lot of things which is very useful. Mock interviews part, and which is like interviews, quiz, mock tests, and the most interesting part is like Salesforce practical labs, because theoretical knowledge everyone will provide. I was very happy with that entire structure. Trainers are very friendly, and we have a like we have co-learners also. Whenever I have a doubts, immediately they are responding and they clarified my doubts, and I got very good inputs from the team. Each and every topic they have a quiz and they have a flashcards. Flashcards was very useful for me, because each and every topic they explained in a practical way as well as theoretical way. After my training, I had very good program which is called Capstone project. I thought that without any real time in scenarios, how can I crack the interviews. In that Capstone project, I got all the inputs how to handle with the real time environment, means how to handle the meetings, how to handle the tickets, and how to analyze the situations. Seriously, before coming to Sasguru, I don't know anything about and what we will do in that Slack channel, nothing. When I joined in the Sasguru, I entered in the Slack channel. Everyone was interacting, and I'm getting lot of inputs. Everyone is encouraging. Just I cleared my Salesforce admin certification. Immediately, I put into the Slack channel. Everyone is congratulating me, and they are giving a future inputs. How to what is my next step, and what I have to do. Everything was very nice, and it's like not an institute or not any learning center, it's like a family. The training part, in the training part, every week we have a hands-on classes also there. So in that hands-on classes we are only discussing about the scenario based questions. So in that hands-on, every week one day we are doing that hands-on challenges, and in the weekdays classes also we are doing all the hands-on challenges. Especially I was more focused on scenario based questions. And in the real exam, almost all the topics and all scenario related questions we were discussed in hands-on classes and theoretical, I mean in the weekdays classes also. One of the guru called me and asked about my profile, like are cleared with the Salesforce administration certification. So I mentioned that I cleared my certification and everything. He gave me one opportunity that this is the company is there, so they are looking for fresher Salesforce administration, so are you interested to apply? Facing interviews gives more confidence whether we succeed or not. So I confidently say yes, and he forwarded my profile to the company, and I got a call from the company. One day they scheduled the interview, and I attended the screening round. That's about a complete about myself, as well as it's about a basics of Salesforce. I completed that interview. After 1 week, I got the call that I'm selected for the second round. Second round is completely technical, and I attended my second round of interview also. Almost 1 hour 15 minutes we were discussing about the Salesforce admin only. 3 days I got a call from HR that I cleared my second round, and I have HR round. In that HR round also they asked me about my Salesforce journey. Seriously, I did not expect that question in HR round. How my journey was with SaaS Guru and what are the achievements I got. HR round was very like they completed very smoothly and everything was fine. In my mind I have that confidence that definitely I'll get this job. But like the happiness is my happiness is like not about the job, that is that I cracked it. Definitely I would recommend to the people who are really serious about their career in Salesforce. They want to achieve something in their career in Salesforce means definitely I really recommend the SaaS Guru, seriously. Because I'm the real example. Lot of people are stop their career because they don't know how to like they don't know how to plan their career in a particular domain. I'm also telling to other aspiring learners, this is the best platform to you. I'm thinking that definitely if anyone wants to make their career in Salesforce means definitely I'll opt to the SaaS Guru only. I'll directly I'll tell them I'm very happy actually, and I did not completed my journey with SaaS Guru. In future I have to achieve a lot of things, a lot of certifications I want to do. Seriously, my journey is not ended with SaaS Guru.